Who they online? Who no book make you check the statistics? They say, back of shirt. May you know say more they call. They say, problem, it don't they finish. Warri, come online. You don't see, have you need an antenna? The lost boy in Abuja. We number one, baby. We number one in the world, baby. Afure, I see you. We number one in the world, man. Check the statistics. Erigga Lost Boy album number one in the world. Check the statistics. You don't see, Redo. Afure, Redo. I said we number one in the world, Afure. We number one in the world right now. Number one in the world, the Lost Boy in Abuja, we number one in the world. We international now. That's what you want me to do. No bank pass. The violence just begun. Number one in the fucking world. Man, I see you, fam. We number one in the world, Warri. What are they not telling us? Oh, number one. The Lost Boy. Voila. I think I invite Erigga to the live right now. Let me invite Erigga to the live. Oh man, I had to do Iboti. Yeah, I've seen it. Erigga, hey. Afure, come online with number one. Warri, we number one in the world, the whole wide world, man. Global. Not be global come. We number one in the world. Oh, I be like saying on the way they hear English. Make I use the robot to tell all of you now. I want Boy is the number one in the fucking world. Boy is the number one in the fucking world. What are you not telling us? Gracias. It's us destiny. Oh, baby. Gracias. Otas. Memorable. Memorable number one in the world. One minute now, Nobu. 1 minute. Oh, my Erigga. Oh, that's I'm adding you now. Number one in the world. Oh, Akbowe. It's a city again of it. Oh, that's a coin in the world. It's number one in the world. Number one in the world.
Number one normally now. They know.
What about the Canada? Say you cannot prove them.
Yes, now they know everything. What is the update? What will be the update? What is up?
The update is that Erigga the Lost Boy album is the number one, and DJ Khaled, God Did, is the number two currently in the world.
Are you for real? Are you
Check the
serious?
statistics, fam.
Are you serious? Song of the world, album of the world.
Sir.
Wait till they tell me now.
Siamo.
Oh, Bobby.
Siamo.
Oh, Bobby. Sisogo. Sisogo. Oh,
The lost boy #1.
Are you for real?
I say no cap, fam. Look at it now. The lost boy.
Oh, the last boy.
#1, they call it #2. Emmanuel Gwoga Sejo.
Hey, Ziggy. Ooh, see paper.
Emmanuel Gwoga Sejo.
See paper.
Emmanuel Gwoga Sejo. I Gwoga Poeji. Wamena. Emmanuel to the world though. Hey. Hey God. Mini akpo were. Aware ni akpo re. Olete akelofe. Ero wo se ko ini no mo ikiki paper boy #1 ni na akpo were. Aware ni akpo re. Olete akelofe. Ero wo se ko ini no mo. Man, this is like the biggest moment to be a Warri boy right now, man. The sweetest time to be a Warri boy right now. Let me throw some for the daddies that have gone and is making way for us. Hey, it's Erigga paper boy, the lost boy #1 in the world. Check the statistics. Hello, mom and dad. I know you see me over there, yeah. Man, this is like the sweetest time to be a Warri boy. The sweetest time for this life to be a Warri boy. The sweetest, I swear to God, man. I swear to God, man. Whoa! #1. Oh, it's like too sweet. It's like my next life. Now still a good boy. I'm still Warri boy. I'll still be. It does sound. See. Onyevo mini kupe so ma bruche. All the way from Oja Gugbe, not be everything I see, much peace. All the Okumaba boys in the house. All the Ejeba boys in the house. All the Gudu boys in the house. All the Alaka boys in the house. Most importantly, all the Ugeli boys in the house. All the Agbaro boys in the house. Oh, Eti Okumaba. All the way from Canada, man, blood. Eti, they say what your brother do. Your brother is #1 in the fucking world, Eti. Eti, need to come up with my Baba boys and pop cheese. Oh, man. Man, if you gotta show us the evidence of hard work, Eti, you gotta show us the evidence of hard work. You see levels. You see levels, fam. Like, no cap, man. Like, happen where the Jay-Z did. The Beyonce, everybody, the Lil Wayne, the Recross. Now, lost boy from Okumagba Ejeba boy. I say, man, oh, Eti. You know the matter, fam. Even for the Canada self, we still concept na shut down. Fam. I think these are the sweetest time to be a Warri boy. The sweetest day, self, not even time. The sweetest day to be a Warri boy. Shout out to my Kutu boys. Shout out to my maybe red boys, my Mutiaga boys. And that's my who girl the most importantly. Agbaro boys. Erigga, the Lost Boy album is #1 in the fucking world, man. #1 in the fucking world, man. What are you not telling us? Who girl you also want to in the ass? Man, we coming, man. Like it's gonna be champagne on motherfucking champagne. Yes, man. Bakome, Jerry, Mingwa, Warri to the world. Who go by the chief hunter? I swear you cool. Oh, runner. I'll get that one of you. Oh no, my. Shout out to all the Warri boys, all the Wado boys, all the Robo boys, all the Robo boys in the ass. Robo boys in the ass. Robo boys not the number one in the motherfucking world. What are you telling me, man? Talk to me, man. Talk to me, man. Number one in the world.